Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I made this simple, delicious and yummy stew. So guys, if you want to know how I made this stew, keep watching. Like, this stew tastes so good and yummy. Let me not even say much about it. After watching this video guys, just follow the recipe exactly the way I did it and you will testify. Let me not even preach too much about it. So I'll be introducing you to the ingredients, so keep watching and don't blink. So right here, these are all the ingredients I'll be using for this stew. So over here is my fresh tomatoes, my Jamaica hot pepper, these are my red bell pepper, onion, curry powder, seasoning cube. I'm using the Stark seasoning cube, and this is my crayfish. Like, I love crayfish. And this is my complete season. This is my thyme, my oregano, my paprika powder, my nutmeg, and my oil. So here is my garlic and ginger. I also have some salt. So here is my meat. I just added it into the pot and I'll be seasoning it with some onion, oregano, thyme, garlic and ginger seasoning cube, salt, grounded pepper. So I will go ahead, mix everything together, cover and let it cook. I didn't add water. I don't like to add water if I'm pre-cooking it. If I'm pre-cooking my beef and chicken, I just allow them to release their own water because it has a lot of water. So if they cook at a point, if I see that the water they release is not enough to cook it, I'm actually going to add more water. So here I have to cover. I'm just done, mixing everything together. I covered and turn on my stove to allow it to cook. So here is my tomatoes, garlic, ginger, pepper, onion that I showed you guys earlier. So I will be blending. So here is my meat. This is the water it released. So I realized that the water that came out from it was not enough to cook, because this is bone. You want it to be a little bit soft so that you can chew, So what I did was to add some more water to help it cook. So I'll go ahead and cover, allow it to cook to my desired taste. When it's done, we'll go straight to the stew. So here I have my oil already preheated, so I'm just going to add my onion, garlic and ginger, and I just have to do that right until it turns translucent. So I'm just going to add a little bit of oregano on the oil for flavor. I'm going to to add my complete seasoning here, just a little bit, not much. My curry, little bit. This is my nutmeg powder. So I'm going to add a little bit of paprika powder. I'm actually going to add my seasoning cube. And I'm going to add my crayfish. 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 What else do we need to add in here? Just give that a quick mix. The aroma here is amazing. Aroma here is amazing. The aroma here. So we are going to cover and allow it cook. Then we'll come back and add our blended tomato and pepper. So this is it. The next thing I'm going to do is to add my red bell pepper, onion, garlic, fresh tomatoes, blend. I'm just gonna add everything. Just mix, and I'll allow it to cook. So I'm just going to cover, allow it to cook. We want the water to dry up from the blend, so just give it time to cook. Let's check on our stew, but before that we have to reduce the flame. It has been cooking like this. Really, I gave it time to cook, you know, to dry up all the water from the tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. So this is it. It has been cooking. You see all the oil is floating. So I think I'm just gonna test for seasoning cube and all that stuff. I'm going to add some more salt, a little bit. So I'm going to add my bone. This bone is the reason why I'm making this too. Like, I love bone. I love to eat biscuit bone. I love biscuit bone so much. I love biscuit bone. I'm still gonna cover and allow it cook. Like I don't like beef, but I don't like beef doesn't mean I don't eat it. It's not like I hate it, but I'm not a fan of beef. But guys, this is the part I love in beef, like biscuit when it has bone, biscuit bone in it. Guys, this is my stew. This is ready and it's delicious, super delicious. Like, you know how the feeling you get when you're eating white rice with this or anything. Like, I love biscuit bone. I love biscuit bone. Guys, this is ready. You can eat with yam, rice, plantain, anything of your choice.